Scheduling a Microsoft Teams meeting is simple, and Teams generates the join link for you automatically. Here's how to do it in just a few clicks. Open your Teams app or Teams on web. Select Calendar on the left side. Click the New Meeting button on the top right corner. Add your meeting title, date, time, and attendees. Then click Send. Teams automatically generates the join link for everyone invited. You can copy the link here, or once the meeting exists on your calendar, click the scheduled meeting to open details. From here, you can edit the agenda if you missed anything, or simply go back to copy the link when needed. The link copies straight to your clipboard, and you can paste it into an email, a Teams chat, or any project management tool you use. Now that your meeting is scheduled and the link is out, let's take it further by using Tactiq. Tactiq is a Chrome extension that transcribes your Microsoft Teams, Google Meet and Zoom meetings in real time, capturing every decision, action item, and key moment automatically. When your meeting ends, your AI summary is ready to go. You can send it straight to your Slack, Google Drive, or Notion. Install the Tactiq Chrome extension using the link in the description and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams tips.